Let's try to pair these two intercoms. First, we have to turn them on. Now they are paired, and if you want to go in intercom mode, just press B. They are connected. We have to turn on the intercom. You have to keep the button pushed to get in pairing mode, and after that search on your phone the Bluetooth devices. Here I have the LEXIN R15. Yeah. And here is the XINGYAOD R9. Very simple to associate, to connect. Yeah, I have to accept the connection. And the phone is connected now. I will get a strike from YouTube for using this music, but believe me, it is very loud. For the radio function, we have to push the top button, which is radio. Yeah, we have to.